Work used to mean a cubicle, a 9 to 5, and a long commute. And now, it's a laptop, some Wi Fi, maybe your coffee shop, or your bed. Welcome to the wired world of work, where technology doesn't just change how we do our jobs, it changes where, when, and even why we do them. Welcome back to Spill Edge. The idea of work has undergone a digital makeover. From the rise of remote work during the pandemic to AI systems helping us schedule tasks, technology has blurred the lines between work and life. But while tech offers convenience, it also raises questions. Are we more productive or just more stressed? Are jobs more accessible or are they at risk of disappearing? In this episode, we'll explore the major shifts in how we work, the tools shaping our professional lives, and how we can stay human in a tech dominated workspace. Before 2020, remote work was a luxury, but the pandemic turned it into a necessity. Millions of people suddenly found themselves working from home, using tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack to stay connected. India saw a massive increase in remote work during the pandemic, especially in IT hubs like Bangalore and Hyderabad. Companies like TCS even announced plans for a 25-25 model where only 25% of employees work from the office by 2025. Although this is no more a part of their plan, things will take time. Take, for example, a marketing professional from Pune. Pre pandemic, she spent 2 hours commuting every day. Post pandemic, she discovered remote work, which not only saved her time but allowed her to focus more on her family. Yet, she faced challenges like blurred boundaries between work and professional life. Think of remote work like ordering food delivery instead of dining out. It's convenient, saves time, and lets you enjoy your comfort zone. But sometimes, you miss the atmosphere of a restaurant and the social interactions that come with it. AI has quietly become the co-worker we never asked for, but now rely on. From chatbots handling customer queries to AI like Grammarly editing our emails, these tools are everywhere, enhancing our productivity. Platforms like Naukri.com are integrating AI to match job seekers with the best opportunities. Apps like Calendly simplify the hassle of coordinating meetings. Consider a graphic designer from Chennai. He uses DALI, an AI art tool, to generate quick design concepts for his clients. While it speeds up his work, it also raises concerns about originality and creative ownership. AI tools are like GPS for your job. They get you to your destination faster, but you still need to know how to drive. The gig economy is booming, and platforms like Swiggy, Zomato, and Urban Clap have become household names. But it's not just about delivery and home services. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are connecting skilled workers with global clients. India has one of the largest gig economies with over 15 million freelance workers. Startups like Dunzo are even combining gig work with AI for real time delivery tracking. A freelance writer from Delhi can work with clients from the US, UK, and Australia, all from the comfort of her home. For her, the gig economy offers flexibility, but it also comes with the pressure of inconsistent income. The gig economy is like running your own food stall. You have the freedom to choose your menu or your projects and hours, but the hustle to attract customers never stops. While technology makes work more efficient, it can also lead to burnout. Tools meant to save time often mean we are reachable 24 by 7. This is where mental health apps like Calm and Headspace, or features like focus mode on smartphones, come into play. Some Indian startups like Mindhouse are offering meditation and wellness programs to help employees strike a balance. Companies like Infosys have also begun focusing on mental well being through flexible schedules and wellness initiatives. Let us take the example of a software engineer in Bangalore who realized he was working 12-hour days just because his laptop was always nearby. By using productivity techniques like the Pomodoro timer and taking digital detoxes on weekends, he found a healthier balance. Balancing work and mental health is like juggling. Technology can give you extra balls to throw, but if you're not careful, it'll also be the reason you drop them. The wired world of work is here to stay, with technology shaping where, how, and why we work. But while these tools make life easier, it's up to us to set boundaries, prioritize well being, and ensure that the human element of work isn't lost in the noise of notifications and algorithms. Technology may be our new colleague, but remember, it's a tool, not the boss. Use it wisely. And let me know in the comments how you would want to change the way we work. That wraps up episode 6 of our tech journey. If you enjoyed this episode on the future of work, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, take care and see you next time.